Oil pulling can transform your oral health, but it also have many other benefits. You've probably heard of oil pulling as a way to promote oral hygiene. It is said to reduce cavities and even eliminating bad breath. Oil pulling may also help in stopping gingivitis, which is a result of a plaque. Most people though turn to oil pulling because it not only cleans teeth, but also whitens them after just 2 weeks of trying this method. But that's not all. Oil pulling actually has more benefits that go beyond our oral health. 1. For increased energy. Our body is filled with toxic waste due to everyday stress, pollution, and even the foods we eat. As a result, our energy levels are drained. Oil pulling can help eradicate the noxious culprits that cause us to feel sluggish. 2. For detox. The germ buildup in our body can act like poison and can cause us to suffer from inflammation. Believe it or not, inflammation is one of the biggest contributors of some serious diseases, including arthritis, asthma, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. The gateway of these contaminants is our mouth. By oil pulling, we remove these toxins from our mouth before they spread all over our body. Indeed, an easy way to detoxify. 3. For hormonal changes. Since oil pulling can remove toxins in the body, there's no need for us to compete with those harmful substances. As a result, our hormones are normal and they function correctly without being thrown off balance. 4. For headache prevention. Some causes of headaches are known, including toxic stress. We can avoid migraines and headaches by eliminating toxins from the body. One way to do this is through oil pulling. Eliminate toxins through oil pulling, pick help. 5. For keeping the skin clear. Another result of the removal of toxins from the body is allowing the skin to feel and look healthier. The toxins, if left in the body, can make it into our bloodstream and can cause a variety of skin problems, including rashes and acne. All these can be reduced with the help of oil pulling. 6. For improved immunity. Several proponents of oil pulling believe that this healthful method can boost immunity. Swish oil around your mouth for several minutes and this allows the oil to cleanse between the teeth and every part of your mouth that cannot be reached by brushing. Oil pulling can pull bacteria away as you spit the oil, therefore removing microbes from the mouth so they can't reach your gut, where most of our immune system, about 80%, is located. Aside from the benefits mentioned above, oil pulling is good for you if you have teeth sensitivity. For instance, you feel pain whenever you eat ice cream or drink hot coffee. This method of cleaning your mouth can definitely help you enhance your oral hygiene and improve your overall health.